Hi everyone. I have this tub over here that the water is not going down. It's clogged up. You can see that the water is not going down. So I'm using this snake with a drill attached to it. It'll turn the whole thing faster. First testing out the tool a little bit to see how it's working. I think I got the hang of it. Now we'll put it into this hole. I'm making sure to go more the outside, where I went away from the drain of the tub, because it should have more of a, not such a sharp angle to go in there. So I went more on this side.
There's a bug. That's in there? That was in there?
Whoa.
What? What?
See all that black stuff?
Yeah. Here? It's here. OMG. It's here? What the hell?
Wow.
It's here. What else could it be?
Okay, whatever it is.
I didn't know there's not more stuff in there. I just cleaned the bathroom. Do it again.
Wow.
Dark City.
Okay, now it's going down.
Yeah, but you can still check again, huh? It's not going down at all. You don't want to stick it in again? Just to make sure? Can you? It's insanity. This is years worth of stuff, huh? Just kidding, it's not.
Who knows?
No, it's not years, it's not so much. Yeah, it's a lot of hair.
How does this get back?
FYI, I just got myself all sprayed up.
You need to wash your legs in the shower. You need to rinse off in the shower. You know, right? What are you doing? You're just spraying. You're insane. Look what you did. Look at the walls. Look at the walls. Why can't you just pull it off?
It's
Not coming off?
tangled in.
Okay, I feel like the rest you could do. It's like tons of hair. Wait, can you put it in again just to make sure you got everything out? Just try it
This is going
again.
down, it's coming up.
Why can't you just try it again? Just to, should have to wait another 6 years.
Because I could do it next time. If it goes down, I'm leaving it.
Why?
So to bring it, to pull it back in, we'll hold it in and go in reverse. It's jumping all over. You gotta press it pretty hard, it looks like. So that's in, and pressing it turns it up. If you let go and just turn it, then you can just stays in one place. And you hold it, it goes out. To bring it back in, you do reverse. That's how you use this tool. So this is the tool.
clears 3/4 to 1.5 inch drain lines. So that's for bathrooms, not toilets, that's for sinks or bathtubs, showers. So you have to attach this. If you want, you could use this also, or you could attach a drill to this end. So let's see, oh, so this has the 2 clips. I never use this part, but you could also use hand. You could also do it with your hand. So every time you turn it to the clockwise, if you hold it down, it goes out. Okay, and if you still hold it down to bring it back in, you have to hold it down again and turn it counterclockwise. And if you're already in there and you don't want to go deeper, you let go, and then you could just twist it to make sure you're grabbing whatever you need to grab. And this is how the front looks. There's a special so that's this tool. It comes off easy. And yeah, oh, it says over here, forward, this way. Okay, thanks for watching. And came to use.